Step into the 2018 Kia Optima Hybrid Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 154 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display, cruise control and dust sensing headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.